Hi everyone, welcome back to my watercolor painting channel. Today we are diving into the magical world of seasonal trees, specifically focusing on autumn and winter landscape. These are perfect for creating moody atmospheric pieces that really capture the essence of the color month. So, grab your brushes, your watercolor, and let's start. Alright, as always, we are starting by wetting the cardboard. This helps the color blend beautifully and give that soft, dreamy effect we love in watercolor. Next, we'll get our color ready. I'm using a mix of warm and cool tones today. You can adjust the color based on the mood you want for your tree. And now, with a nice natural brush, we'll start laying down the first layer of color. Just gently tap the brush onto the paper or cardboard and let the water do its magic. Remember, in watercolor, it's all about letting the paint flow naturally. Now I'm adding some warm color like Van Dyke brown or um, red brown. After that, I'm going to tilt the cardboard silently just to let the color move on their own. This is one of my favorite part of watercolor, letting the paint do its own things. Watch how the color flow and blend together naturally. Uh, it creates such a beautiful organic effect without much effort. At this point, my brush is a bit drier than usual, and I'm using thicker, more concentrated paint. This gives us a really nice texture on a cardboard. You'll notice how the dry brush technique creates a more defined texture look, especially on the tree branches or leaves. Is perfect for adding those little detail and making the painting feel more alive and interesting. Now just relax and enjoy the rest of the painting process. Take your time, have fun with it, and let your creativity flow. There is no right or wrong here, just enjoy creating something beautiful. Thank you so much for painting with me today. I hope you enjoyed creating those seasonal trees as much as I did. Remember, don't stress too much about perfection. Watercolor is all about experiment and enjoying the process. If you like this tutorial, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. See you next time.